Oh my gosh, that was a lot of cleaning. I have been just playing catch up. I tried going to the groceries earlier and it was way too chaotic. I now get what people mean by don't go grocery shopping the week of Christmas. But I got everything that I needed for the week, and then I'll handle groceries sometime during the weekend when it's not so chaotic. But I am just resetting some areas. The downstairs need a lot of help because the kitchen and the living room just got completely destroyed. I'm going to take you guys along with me with a few projects that I'm starting in the new year, like the laundry room and the downstairs closet, that I need more space for like my cleaners and like more like a linen closet. Right now it's just like a coat closet. It's really tiny, it's small, but it has so much potential. So I am going to be looking into that, and we're just going to be doing a lot of resetting. So I'm going to take you along. This is kind of like a vlogging, cleaning, resetting everything. Over on Instagram, I've been getting a lot of requests for those. So yeah, this is what we're doing today. Okay guys, so this is where we're at with the laundry room, and I kind of wish we had cabinets up there as opposed to the shelf, because then you can actually store towels and blankets. We don't really have any like storage up here. So like putting some cabinets up there, I've had like bigger baskets, but I don't necessarily like the way that looks. So I'm thinking putting cabinets there, and then eventually install a sink, because we have the option here. I could really use a sink in here. It would just be a matter of cutting that up, installing the sink, making sure that the plumbing is good. And I know I'm sounding like it's easier said than done, but my dad's really good at that, so I can always ask my dad for help. But we're gonna go ahead and clean this up and just kind of finish up laundry here. I don't know about you guys, but tea has been my absolute go-to, just because it has been this really funky weather. I feel like I come down with a cold and then I don't come down with a cold, and it's allergies, and I just genuinely need a cup of tea every single day. Just kind of clean everything up here. It has been kind of like my go-to for absolutely everything that I have to do for work, and it's just so chaotic half the time, like so chaotic. I've gotten a few questions about the desk. I'll link it down for you guys. It's a really cute, like, I like the size of it. I don't feel so overwhelmed with it, which is nice. And I've been getting questions about the little cover. I am an absolute fan of anything Miffy. I've just been on a Miffy little kick, and this whole thing just kind of resembles that. But I absolutely love just how nifty the little figurines are. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this up because I'm getting ready to get some work done, and I don't want to have to be sitting down, so I just know I need to be a little bit higher. My back has been killing me. This weather, like cold weather, it's like a cold and hot weather. It just kind of comes and goes. Has been rough. So yeah. Okay, so I think I'm gonna wrap things up here. I am hoping to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday for you guys, with the exception of the holidays, of course, because it just makes it a little bit harder. But I am excited for a couple new updates that are coming to my website. I'm working on something really big that I think is gonna be super helpful to so many of you. And I am excited for everything that the new year has to come. I am gonna just keep wrapping up my work because I only have a few hours to get that done. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.